Headquartered in Hong Kong, Sa International Holdings Limited's operations mainly cover online and offline retail and wholesale sales channels in Hong Kong, Macau, mainland China and Southeast Asia. The group's purpose is to make life beautiful, and we position ourselves as a one-stop beauty platform. If you're looking for professional, quality and trending skincare, color cosmetics and fragrance products, we are the go-to place. Recently, we have extended our product range to include inner beauty and beauty equipment. Our main objective with technology is to quickly roll out solutions that not only keep up with the fast-changing business environment, but also add value to the consumer, business partners and ourselves. We want to improve user experiences and leverage technology to help us do so. For our operations in Greater China, we need stable and compliant cloud solutions for our HR system, e-commerce and omni-channel integration. We're also focused on streamlining IT costs with new technologies to work more efficiently and provide better value to our customers. Using Alibaba Cloud has really added value for Sa. Their globally distributed data centers allow us to quickly launch and market our business locally. With the comprehensive cloud-native services, we reduce both time to market and technology costs. The platform also provides the security and compliance reports we need. We're excited about the opportunities for future growth in the new retail space worldwide with Alibaba Cloud's strong retail experience. Sa leverages Alibaba Cloud's diverse ECS families and managed services to quickly bring business systems online. With Alibaba Cloud's premium global network infrastructure, we establish seamless cross-regional connectivity, enhancing system integration and user experience. Additionally, the rich suite of cloud-native services allows us to meet our immediate business needs without burdening our technology team with maintenance. After using Alibaba Cloud, Sa has significantly eased the burden from technology resource requests, reducing deployment cycles from weeks to days, and minimizing post-deployment maintenance. This optimization enhances system integration and user experience, enabling us to set up test environments to complete validations and deployment in just a few hours. Alibaba Cloud's premium global network has reduced cross-regional network latency by 50%, enhancing stability. These advantages have allowed us to continuously enhance integration efficiency and elevate customer experiences. In the future, Sa will work with Alibaba Cloud to strengthen new retail digital marketing, enhance our loyalty program, and refine our operations to deliver a more personalized retail experience for our consumers worldwide. Thank you, Alibaba Cloud.